Well, hello everybody and welcome to the devlog video. So it is time finally for me to give you all the hard work I've been doing in the past few months. So in the form of a new Steam update, so with all the new feature and so on. So it will be called the Legacy update. So why Legacy? So because it will be a new branch on Steam basically, and that will stay there for for a long time, let's say. Why? Because after that I'm gonna break the save compatibility. So with the legacy update you can load your old save formats, convert your ship. So typically there is a few a bit of work to be done. So typically this area you might want to use the new freeform tool and convert your ship this way. And so you will always be able to come back to that branch if you forgot about one of your blueprint in a few months and so on. You want to come back, so that will be possible. So yeah, but it's really important for me to move on from the current save and so on. So because yeah, I've done a lot of change behind the scene on the code, so to really make things much more simple for me to be able to work on the game, and especially on the logic side of thing. As you know, I've changed quite a thing, but I still have many issue, and typically with the children entity and the way it saves and so on. It's really not perfect because I have two systems colliding and fighting each other, which is not pretty at all. So that's why I want to move away from that. So that is really necessary. So that's really the idea, guys. So you will see quite a few things change. So maybe the biggest is the way you rotate blocks. So now you use key to rotate the block, I guess, like most other game. But yeah, so because now if you hold your mouse and look around, it's really to create a new shape. So that's really the rationale behind the change. Obviously it works the same way with brick, and so that's a really neat thing. And you will see also the way you delete stuff. So there is no longer the mass delete that was a bit yeah, a bit risky, a bit awkward. So now you delete block by block, which makes sense because it's really the exact symmetrical operation to placing the blocks. So that kind of make sense with the current technology. Yeah, so that's it. So it's not really complete, so there is quite a few things missing. So typically the turret system, the mech system and so on, so it still needs a bit of work, but I will work on that after that with the new logic system. And also you will see there is a lot of shape missing. So so sorry for that, guys, but really the idea is that it will still be possible to use this kind of shape, but you will have to use the new freeform technology that is still not there. So this is still something, one of the last big thing, let's say, I will have to work on the building system, and then after I will be able to focus 100% on gameplay. So yeah, so we'll still be able to do that, but not just right now. So that's really the idea. And also yeah, new codecs, so new technology, so I can work faster again. And yeah, it's still a bit messy because the codex is using the new tech, but the other screen and so on still not migrated and so on. So yeah, still a bit of work left to be done, but that's okay. So thanks you guys for following the game, and see you in the next one.